This is a 1955 or 56 Aquasonic Evinrude Big Twin 25 horsepower. Super clean. Runs off a 2-line pressure tank. I'm going to open it up here real quick so you can see inside. It's very clean. It's got the intake silencer, so it runs pretty quiet. I just put a new water pump in it, and I put new points and condensers in it, so it'd run good. It's all original and it's complete. Actually, the only thing that might have been on it when it was first purchased was a tiller handle. This unit, originally you could have it tiller control or remote controls, which is what it's set up for now. The 2 side controls. And let's start it up real quick. Shot of the water coming out. That's because it's got a brand new water pump in it. It's idles pretty nicely. Rub it up a little bit. Now I'm going to put it in gear. Watch it turn water. There's forward. That's just idling. Back into neutral. Now reverse. It's a really good running motor and it starts really easy.